Welcome to the Techie Dialogue YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening automatically. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Step 1. First, you need to open Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Acrobat icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Adobe Acrobat Reader is open, look for the Edit tab at the top of the window and click on it. This tab contains various options that you can customize. Step 3. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This will open the Preferences window where you can change settings for Adobe Acrobat. Step 4. In the Preferences window, find and go to the Internet section on the left side. This section contains options related to how Acrobat interacts with the Internet. Step 5. Next, click on Internet Settings. This will open the Internet Properties window, which allows you to manage your Internet settings. Step 6. In the Internet Properties window, navigate to the Programs tab. This tab lets you control how different programs interact with your web browser. Step 7. Now click on Manage Add-ons. This will open a new window displaying a list of all the add-ons installed on your system. Step 8. In this window, click on Show to display additional options. This will allow you to see more details about the add-ons. Step 9. From the list, select Run Without Permission. This will show you all the add-ons that are allowed to run automatically without your consent. Step 10. Finally, look for Adobe PDF Reader in the list and disable it. To do this, simply select it and click the Disable button. This will prevent Adobe Acrobat from opening automatically in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.